Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to find your streaming key on your Twitch streaming account. Now it's a very easy process, but you just have to know where to find. Now the first step is to actually open up your browser and head down to your Twitch account. Now from here simply Google Twitch, go to twitch.tv, sign into your existing account, and from there go to the top right corner of your screen where your account appears. From there go to the creator dashboard, and inside the creator dashboard we're going to the settings right here. Now inside these settings we go to stream, and inside stream you already see your primary stream key. Now here you can show the key, I'm not going to do it, and here you can copy it. Now once you've copied it, you can use it in OBS Studio, for example, or a different kind of streaming services. If you want to change your streaming key, for example, it has been compromised or something else, you can simply reset it, and then the key has been reset and there is a different key which you can use once again. Now, if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.